If you want to remove Safari from your iPhone, here's how to do it and what you need to know first. You can remove Safari from your home screen, but you cannot fully delete it since it's a built-in Apple app. That said, you can still hide it and clear your data. And for that, open your settings, then scroll down and tap on apps. Again, scroll down and tap on Safari. Here, search for clear history and website data, and once you see it, tap on that. Then tap on clear history. Now, go to your home screen, press and hold the Safari icon and tap on remove app. Then choose remove from home screen. If you want to go further, go to your settings app once again and tap on screen time. After that, go into content and privacy restrictions, then tap on allowed app and features. Here, toggle Safari off. This will fully hide Safari even from search and Siri. And that's how you hide or disable Safari on your iPhone. While you cannot uninstall it completely, these steps keep it out of sight and out of use. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.